Hi guys, my name is Nina. Today I'm going to walk you guys through a really fun craft that we do at the parks a lot. It's a fortune teller. So all you will need is a piece of paper, any kind of paper, scissors, and any kind of writing utensil. I have my colored pencils today. So the first step into making a fortune teller, if you have a regular piece of paper, you're going to need to make it into a square. So you're going to fold the paper in, and down, and then you'll be left with this excess area that you're gonna cut off, and then you can open it back up and you'll have a square. And it's really important that you have a square for this fortune teller, or else it won't work. So, open it up. Now that I have my square, we are gonna start on the folding. So the second step is with your square, you're gonna fold in like a hamburger fold so that you have it 90 degrees, and then you can open it back up and do this fold again. This is just gonna help with the structure of the fortune teller, I guess. So once you've done that and you have your center line, which mine isn't really that even, but that's okay. You're going to fold in each of the corners to that center line. So you're gonna take that and fold it in, and you can kind of measure it a little bit before you do your folds if your center line wasn't very centered like mine. So then you're gonna fold those in. Just like that. And that last one right here, all the way in. And you'll come to this. So now you're gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the other side as one of your last steps. So you're gonna fold into the center line, just like we did before, those 4 folds. Now, you can do this with any size paper. If you wanna make a smaller one, you can even do it with a Post-it note, as long as the paper is as square as possible. Okay. So now that you've done that, you're basically done with all the folds, and you just need to assemble the fortune teller. So what I like to do is kind of fold it in half, and then with that half, you're gonna wanna open this up, these squares, and I folded inwards to these folds, not the backside ones. So, in like that. And then you can kind of take it and open that up. And then this is what I would say is the hardest part, is kind of, there we go, is getting it in there. Okay, so obviously mine isn't that square, but now you have your fortune teller. And now comes the fun part. You can unfold it and you can color whatever you like. So typically with these outside squares, you want to pick a color, and then you'll spell out that color as you do your folds. So I'm going to start with my favorite color, purple. So I'm going to make sure I'm doing it into the center so that way it's easy to read. A lighter purple and just color over that. And you can really get creative with your coloring, and you can use whatever you want to color your fortune teller. This is a great activity, indoor, outdoor, and for any age. With your fortune teller, on the inside, you can do numbers and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now that I have my outside squares colored and my inside ones numbered, we can go ahead and open this flap, and as you see, you have your halfway mark, and you can write a fortune, or you can do like a shape for a younger kid, makes it easier, or like a spirit animal, something really funny. You can basically put whatever you want in here. I'm gonna do some funny fortunes, and you just go around and do that for all 8 of your squares, or triangles, I guess. So I went ahead and added fortunes in all of them, and that's it. You're done. Now you get to play it, so you'll need a friend or anybody. And what you do is you first ask them the color. So they pick a color, blue, and then you spell out blue, B-L-U-E. And then they pick a number from the inside. So I'm gonna pick 2. 1, 2, and you go like that, and then you pick another number, and let's say I'll do 2 again. 1, 2, and then after your second number, or however many tries you want to do, you can tell them pick a number for your fortune. And once they pick that number, you open it up and you read them their fortune. So my fortune was, you will be rich in your near future. Hey! And that's how you guys make a fortune teller. I hope you guys enjoyed it and try it out at home or anywhere.